Don't deny it.
Talent is when you see it.
And we are talent.
You are looking at us, Ole,
And Scoon,
and together we are
the Blizzard Brothers.
the greatest to ride the snow on boards.
#1 in Scandinavia, and the Olympics
Are the step next.
Olympics, bear witness to unnecessary talent. That one's called Snowmore Mountain.
Many casualties, almost never.
Ugh. Checkmate.
That is what it is called. But let us not forget this.
Let's see it, Oleg.
Wow! The Egyptian starskin! Read it and weep!
We never weep.
Except for when the collapse of the Berlin Wall.
It was a great place for grinding.
But we are not communists.
But
maybe little bit. Olympics made me wonder, where do Blizzard Brothers are coming from?
When me and Oleg were being babies, no parents. But Huskies deep in Norwegian forts, all the parents required.
Child abandonment, radical!
Because of this, all we know is way aboard.
It is the calling of true.
Oleg, the ultimate move is beginning.
Time to blow pants off people! We have done it. Except for Scoon, he has died.